Need to get paid back without the awkwardness. Let's dive into the PayPal app and learn how to request money from friends and family. Euro, super easy. First, open the PayPal app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. On your home screen, you'll see a send and request button. Tap it to get started. Now you'll see two options, send or request. Tap the request option. Next, you'll need to select who you're requesting money from. Type in the name, email address, or their PayPal associated phone number of the person who owes you. Once you see their name pop up, tap on it. After the person's name is selected, you'll need to enter the amount you're requesting. Tap on the amount field and use the number pad to input the exact amount, including cents. Now it's time to add a brief note. This will help remind them what the payment is for. Tap on add a note and write a specific description, like dinner last night or rent for this month. Carefully review everything, then tap the request button on the next screen. You will reach the confirmation screen, where you see all the information you entered. Once satisfied, send the request. The person you requested the money from will receive a notification. To see your pending requests, go back to your home screen and check your activity feed. You can also tap on the activity tab at the bottom to track all your transactions. Keep an eye on your request status. That's how you request money on PayPal, making getting paid easier.